How to fix a Windows taskbar that has mysteriously disappeared. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix a Windows taskbar that has mysteriously disappeared. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. You can simply restart your PC. Sometimes a reboot will fix minor issues. Without a taskbar, you can press Alt plus F4 and select Restart from the shutdown dialog, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and click the power icon in the bottom right corner. After that, you need to go through the next step. Simply you need to check the taskbar settings. For that, you have to right click on your desktop and select Personalize. Then you have to go to the taskbar settings, open taskbar, and you have to ensure that automatically hide the taskbar is disabled. You can go to the taskbar behavior and check whether automatically hide the taskbar is check marked or not. If it is, then you need to uncheck automatically hide the taskbar. And these settings can cause the taskbar to collapse and disappear, so you have to be very careful for this step. The third step you need to follow is you need to adjust the display settings. Incorrect display settings might hide the taskbar. So again, right click on your desktop, go to display settings, and now you have to check for scale and layout to make sure that they are set to recommended values. Other thing you need to follow is simply you can restart the Explorer.exe. So this was the solution in my case. You can simply go to the taskbar or task manager. For that, what you need to do is you need to click Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, and you can easily scroll to Windows Explorer. You need to right click and select Restart, and if this doesn't work, you can create a new task by clicking Run New Task at the top, typing Explorer.exe and clicking on OK button. You can open Run with Windows plus R as well and type command, and or you can type cmd and press Ctrl plus Shift plus enter to open the command prompt as an administrator. You can then type SFC scan now and press enter. This scan can repair and corrupt system files causing the taskbar issues. So one of these steps would have to restore your taskbar. So for me, creating a new Explorer.exe task resolve this issue. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.